For years, prompt engineering was the hottest skill in AI. One sentence could change everything. Companies paid thousands for the right words. But now, something has changed. AI no longer waits for perfect prompts. It understands intention. So the question is prompt engineering dying? Or is it evolving into something else? This is the death of prompt engineering? Let's find out. To understand the future, we must revisit the past. Prompt engineering began as trial and error. People experimented endlessly. Structure mattered. Role prompting. Few-shot learning. Entire industries formed around it. Prompt engineers became professionals. Precision was power. Bad prompts meant bad results. Words controlled intelligence. It was treated as a science. Even developers relied on it. The longer, better, or so we thought. But AI never stopped learning. And then came multimodality. AI could now see, hear, and speak. It no longer needed perfect instructions. It understood context. The prompt was losing importance. Modern AI doesn't read prompts. It reads humans. You speak naturally. AI understands intent. You describe an idea. AI fills the gaps. It improves your prompt automatically. Hidden reasoning replaces explicit commands. Multiple AI systems coordinate. They decide how to respond. Vagueness is no longer fatal. The output remains impressive. Sometimes, there's no prompt at all. AI reacts to you. Your actions are the prompt. Your attention is data. Your emotions guide output. Prompting becomes conversation. Conversation becomes collaboration. And collaboration replaces control. So what happened to prompt engineering? AI fixes bad prompts. AI predicts intent. Context is built in. Memory replaces repetition. AI adapts dynamically. Templates become unnecessary. Less input, more intelligence. AI focuses on goals, not syntax. Reasoning happens internally. Entire tools are being abandoned. Interfaces are getting simpler. Autonomy reduces instruction. AI corrects humans. Natural language wins. Intent replaces words. AI plans independently. Humans supervise outcomes. Prompt skill loses value. Thinking gains value. Vision matters more than phrasing. Strategy replaces commands. AI asks for clarification. Sometimes, AI leads. The prompt becomes invisible. So, is prompt engineering dead? Not exactly. It's transforming. Prompting moved inside the model. System design replaces prompting. Orchestration is the new skill. Humans define goals. AI handles execution. Prompt engineers become architects. Ethics become critical. Oversight replaces micromanagement. The skill didn't vanish. It evolved. New roles emerge. AI strategist. AI experience designer. Human AI interaction expert. The name fades. The mindset remains. Collaboration is the future. The future isn't about prompts. It's about vision. AI anticipates. Humans set boundaries. Work becomes fluid. Creativity scales. Intelligence becomes ambient. No boxes. No prompts. Life becomes the input. Humans focus on meaning. AI handles complexity. This isn't the end. It's the next phase. The death of prompt engineering? Or its rebirth? You decide. Welcome to the future.